Okay, Wildcats, today we're looking at journal page 13, understanding relations and functions. Relations is a set of ordered pairs x, comma y, where x is the input value and y is the output value. The domain is all possible x inputs of the relation. The range is all possible y outputs of the relation. A function is a type of relation in which there is only one output value for each input function. All right, let's take a look at example 1. Okay, express the relation as a table, as a graph, and as a mapping diagram. The relationship below represents the ages of students and the number of words they can write per minute. So you have 4, 10, so 10 is right here. Okay, the next point is 5, 20, so 5 goes right here. And then the next is 5, 30. And then the last point is 6, 24. All right, go and complete the table. All right, let's take a look at part 2. Plot the ordered pairs for the relationship of the graph below. So 4, 10. So 4, 10 is right here. Okay. 5, 30. So 5, 30 is right here. Okay. 5, 20 is right here. And 6, 24 is about right there. All right, go ahead and finish up part 2. All right, now let's take a look at part 3. Enter the missing values relation to the mapping diagram below. So we know that 4 goes to 10, 5 goes to 20 and 30, and 6 goes to 24. All right, go ahead and finish up part 3. All right, let's take a look at the next example. All right, example 2. State the domain and range of the relationship. Now, the domain is x and the range is y. So the domain values are 2, 7, 8, 11, and 15. The range values are the y values, so 5, 8, 15. Now, they're probably going to want to put them in order numerically, so 15 is not wrong, but you probably want to put the 12 there, then the 15, then the 19. All right, go ahead and finish up example 2. Right, let's take a look at example 3. State the domain and range of the relation. The domain are the x values, so that's 45, 58, 75, 88. And the range values are 4 and 7. All right, go and finish up example 3. All right, example 4. State the domain and range of the relation. Now, before you do this, you want to take the points and make a table. So A is -6, -6. B is, it looks like between -2 and -4 is -3, so -3, 4. C is between 0 and 2, so that's 1, 5. And then E is 4, -1. And then F is 8, -6. And D is 9, 4. All right. Now, using that, let's complete the domain. Domain values, now we're going to go from the smallest value to the largest. So -6, then -3, and then 1, 4, 8, and 9. All right, now the range values of the y, and again, we're going to go from smallest to largest. So -6. Now, you only have to write -6 once. Then the next value is -1. And then, again, you only have to write 4 once, so 4 and 5. Go ahead and finish up example 4. All right. Take a look at example 6. Enter the domain or range of the relation, interpret the context, and explain it if the function or not. The relation represents the time driven in hours and the number of miles traveled at the end of each hour. All right, so again, we're going to need to make a table based on the graph. So the first point is 150. The second point is 2, 100. Then 3, 150. Let's see, 4, 150. And then 5, 200. All right. Now the domain values are 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The domain is time, because remember, domain is x, range is y. The range values are, so 50, 100, 150, and you only have to write 150 once, and then 200. All right. The range is miles driven. The relation is a function. Each domain value is paired with exactly one range value. All right, go and finish up example 6. All right, let's take a look at example 9. All right, express each relation as a mapping diagram and complete the explanation of whether or not the relation represents a function. All right, so let's first make sure we match up all the x values. So the x values are 14, 16, 19, 26, and 32. So 14, 16, 19, 26, and 32. So those are okay. Now 14 goes with 32. That's okay. 16 goes with 28. And I only see 16 once, so it's not A. Let's take a look at B. So 14, 16, 19, 26, and 32. That's okay. 14 goes with 32. 16 goes with 28. 19 goes with 19. 26 goes with 18, and 30 goes with 18. So the answer is C. All right. Now, the relation is a function. Each domain value is paired with exactly one range value. All right, go and finish up example 9. All right. Use the vertical line test to determine if a relation is a function. Complete the explanation. All right, so I'm going to draw a vertical line. Okay, through the graph. Since a vertical line does pass through the point through more than once, so it passes here and here, the graph fails the vertical line test, so the relation is not a function. All right, go and finish up example 10. All right, example 11. Use the vertical line test to determine if the relation is a function. Complete the explanation. So I'm going to draw a vertical line through the graph. Since the vertical line would not pass through more than once, it only passes once, the graph passes the vertical line test, so the relation is a function. All right, go and finish up the example and start working on your HRW assignment and have a wonderful Wildcat